morning students, this is science video. We were doing exercises of chapter number 2, that is adaptation in plants, and we have done with the tick the right answer, fill in the blanks, true and false. Today we are starting with the match the column, and you have to give reason of the statements which are given on page number 24. So match the column is on page number 23, and you have to give the reason of the statements which is on page number 24. So match the column will be done in the book and give reason will be done in the classwork copy. So let's begin with the textbook and fair copy. You have I will show you the work and then you will start doing it in your fair copy. Clear? So let's begin with the written part and the explanation part of the chapter number 2, that is adaptation in plants, of page number 23 and 24. So students, this is page number 23. As you can see, match the following columns. Here are the column A, this is column B, where you have to match the right answers in front of the question. First one, tape grass. Tape grass is the example of underwater plant. So you have to write down 1 in front of the underwater plant. Clear? Second one is mango tree. Mango tree is the evergreen tree, so you have to write down 2 in front of the mango tree. Third one is gulmohar tree. So gulmohar tree is the deciduous tree, so it is deciduous, so that is 3. Prickly pear. Prickly means कांटे चुभने वाले. pear कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? So fourth one is desert में. ठीक है? mangrove, marshy land, everyone knows about it. So this is the match the following, where I will give the picture and then you will start doing your work. Clear? Now if you turn the page and come to the page number 24, you will find out the questions given. Today we will start with the E part. Clear? Give reason of the following statements. So first one is, desert plant have small leaves or no leaves. This whole work will be done in your classwork copy. Clear? So after match the column, if you have done the match the column, then you will start doing your work in the fair copy. This is your fair copy. Your first page will be written with the date, that is 28th May 2021. Chapter name, chapter 2, adaptation in plants. Clear? You have to write down the first page of the chapter 2 with this chapter contains. I have also given this work in the first chapter as well, where I have written like this. Clear? So in this format you will understand the things which are done in the book and the things which are done in the classwork copy. Clear? So all these we have done in the book from here till here. Match the following columns, right? Today we are starting with the give the reason for the following statement in the classwork copy. So here is the questions given which you have to do it in your classwork copy. I will send the picture of these two and then you will start doing your work in the classwork copy. Clear? So let's begin with the explanation part. First one, desert plant have small leaves or no leaves. Reason, डेजर्ट प्लांट के पास स्मॉल लीव्स होती हैं या बिल्कुल लीव्स नहीं होती हैं. तो दोनों ही सही है. लीव्स छोटी होती हैं और बाद में वो लीव्स किस में बदल जाती हैं? स्पाइंस में बदल जाती हैं, इसलिए वो लीव्स बचती ही नहीं हैं. तो रीज़न क्या है? येस, desert plants have small leaves but they reduce to thin and sharp spine to minimize the loss of water. अब लीव्स होंगी तो क्या बनाएगा? खाना बनाने का काम ज़्यादा होगा. ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेंगे? वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे. लेकिन डेजर्ट में क्या होता है? पानी की कमी होती है ना? तो पानी की कमी होने की वजह से क्या करते हैं? वो लीव्स किस में बदल जाती हैं? स्पाइंस में बदल जाती हैं. स्पाइंस क्या होते हैं? कांटे. तो कांटे जब कम, लीव्स कम होंगी तो वो क्या करेंगी? पानी भी तो कम यूज़ करेंगी. तो इसलिए वो एडेप्टेशन क्या हो गया है कि लीव्स स्पाइंस में बदल गई हैं ताकि वो कम से कम पानी की ज़रूरत महसूस हो उनको. ठीक है? सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न वेयर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. Clear? Second question, mangrove trees have roots above the ground. You all know that mangrove trees lives in the marshy area, and marshy area is those areas where area is covered with the water. Clear? The soil is covered with the water. It is clay with the soil. So reason is this: mangrove trees do not get enough air to breathe, so they adapt to obtain fresh air above the ground. They need fresh air to breathe, right? They want carbon dioxide from the soil, but the soil is absorbed by the water. That's why they don't get the carbon dioxide from the roots. That's why their roots are above the soil. Clear? इसलिए उनके रूट्स जो हैं वो ऊपर रहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको फ्रेश एयर की ज़रूरत होती है. Clear? So these two questions will be done in your classwork copy, and later on we will start with the answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Here are the questions which you have to do it in your classwork copy tomorrow. Clear? Today this much exercise will be done in your classwork copy. Thank you so much.